Okay, so for the CFA Level 1 Feb 2025 exams, now this is the prime time. The prime time for ensuring that you are able to crack the exam one shot. I think you know what you need to do right now. You need to take up the mock tests, the full mock tests. Because when you study a particular chapter, it's easy to take questions of that chapter. When you study a particular topic, it's very easy to take questions of that topic. But in the exam, can you take the mocks of the entire exam the way it comes in the final exam of the CFA Institute? So we have 8 mocks for you for the Feb exam, Feb 2025 exams. There are 8 mocks on SSCI Q Forum. सारे के सारे mocks जो है वो brilliantly designed है, keeping in regard that the CFA Institute questions are sometimes easy, sometimes moderate and sometimes really difficult. उसका mixture, okay, with full explanation and with perfect analytics के regarding आपका जो wrong हुआ है वो बाकी लोग का भी wrong हुआ है क्या, आपको कितना टाइम लगा किसी क्वेश्चन को करने में, बाकी लोग को क्या टाइम लगा, how are you performing as compared to the rest of the world? Because please remember, CFA examinations are a percentile system. So the only way you can evaluate yourself is by taking such mocks and comparing your percentile, okay, and then you can see that how am I performing. And these mocks should not be taken at the end. If you think that हम तो Feb में एकदम लास्ट में लेंगे because मेरा syllabus complete नहीं हुआ, वो तो कभी ज़िंदगी में complete नहीं होगा. Mocks has to be started irrespective of your level of preparation. You should start the mocks. कम से कम SSCI का mocks and CFA Institute का mocks ये दोनों लेना compulsory है. You should take. Of course, those who have taken the gold package उनका एक mocks free है. Those who have taken the platinum package with SSCI उनका 2 mocks free है. Those who have taken the platinum plus package उनका 4 mocks free है. ठीक है, तो accordingly all the 8 mocks should be taken, and those who are non-SSCI students, they should also try these 8 mocks because they will be the difference between success and failure. Believe me, we don't want to be a boundary level situation wherein you could have just passed if you did 1 or 2 questions correct. So this is not the time to open the notes, open the core and study it cover to cover. This is the time to apply the knowledge holistically in the entire mocks, okay, not topic wise mocks, the entire mocks, and see how you are faring. And based upon one mocks, जैसे आपने एक मॉक लिया, आपका परफॉर्मेंस ऐसा हुआ, आप फिर से रिव्यू किए, आपका वीक एरिया स्ट्रॉन्ग एरियाज को और स्ट्रॉन्ग किए, जहाँ जहाँ रिविजन करना था बिकॉज कुछ एरिया में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है उसको रिवाइज किए, एंड देन नेक्स्ट मॉक लिए 1 दिन बाद या 2 दिन बाद. दैट इज़ द वे पीपल डू अ मिस्टेक ऑफ व्हाट, मैं पूरा पहले कंप्लीट कर लेता हूँ या कर लेती हूँ, उसके बाद में जाके लास्ट में मॉक्स लूँगी वरना कॉन्फिडेंस गिर जाएगा. नो, मॉक्स का पर्पस इज ऑल्सो फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ शोइंग यू योर वीक एरिया so that you can do well in the weak areas. You can plug the loopholes and you can prepare better. Okay, I cannot reiterate myself more. Okay, please do understand, mocks are the main game changer. Go to the SSCI Q Forum website, register for the mocks. The mocks window opens on 10th Jan. So if your examinations are on the 20th Feb, understand that last का 3 दिन या 2 दिन तो कुछ नहीं करना है. You have to allow your muscles to relax. So basically you have time till the 15th Feb. 10th Jan से 15th Feb. लगता होगा बहुत ज़्यादा दिन है, कमती दिन है, आपको हर alternate days में या हर दो दिन के गैप में एक मॉक लेना ही चाहिए irrespective of your level of preparation. All the best, you will rock.